Ikinamangha ng komunidad ang isang tradisyonal na sining na ipinakikilala ng isang Filipino artist sa Art Gallery of Ontario. Silipin natin sa report ni Teresa Redula.
I know that art brings people together. It's something which should be applauded and promoted more.
Sa isang kilalang art gallery sa downtown Toronto, naipamalas ang pagkamalikhain ng publiko na inibitahan sa isang drop-in session para subukin ang kanilang talento sa pagkukwento sa pamamagitan ng Filipino weaving.
Beyond the physical or the practice in itself, the weaving in my projects have become a metaphor of also expanding the knowledge and the heritage of the Filipinos in Toronto. And so through this very site-specific project of mine, which is the Ilocano Abal, I'm also able to tell stories of where I came from, and also the journeys of the Filipino through the weaving practice.
Pinangunahan ng artist mula sa Vancouver na si Carl Matahipol, ang Maker Friday event ng Art Gallery of Ontario. Dito, inengganyo ang mga nakilahok na gumamit ng iba't ibang kulay at patterns na simbolo ng kanilang mga sariling karanasan at pagkakakilanlan.
Traditional weaving is a great way to calm down your parasympathetic nervous system to come back into the rest and digest stage. And it's also a great stress reliever.
Being able to connect with other Ilocano diaspora is really important to me. I feel a lot more connected, I think, in a way, to my ancestors and my grandmother, and that I think is the most important thing for me in my practice.
Sa pagsasama-sama ng mga individual na likha, makikita ng mga nakilahok kung paano nagtutugma ang kanilang kwento na may pagkakapareho sa isa't isa.
In some cases where people doesn't know about the tradition, now they're being educated through the stories or conversations that I'm bringing into the workshop, but also allows people like the Filipino who were cut off with the tradition to be able to reconnect to this tradition, which is in a way was a healing process for them.
Pero hindi lang nakatutok ang event sa hands-on learning. Naroon din ang talakayan sa kahalagahan ng pag-iingat sa tradisyonal na sining na ito mula sa Pilipinas.
I hope they learn more about the Filipino culture and through these workshops, but also through the stories. And through the ideas or the methods that I'm bringing in, I'm hoping for them to be able to find a model of integrating themselves through the arts. To be able to share their stories and to continue the stories that they've learned throughout their life.
Layunin ni Matahipol na saliksikin ang koleksyon ng mga museo para hamunin ang tinatawag na Filipino Invisibility sa Canada. At dahil sa kanyang mga likha, siya'y nabigyan din ng parangal sa visual arts at kinilala sa mga gawa kaugnay sa anti-racism at social justice.
I grew up with very white biased learnings or upbringings, and so it's more recent now that I'm able to kind of re-educate myself with all of these art practice, and so that is why the weaving, which is so much of my region, it's what they do over there, but now I'm able to innovate the practice through integrating painting and installation art.
Nakatakda ring isagawa ng Art Gallery of Ontario ang iba pang events na pangungunahan din ng mga Pilipino mula November 27 hanggang December 11. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.